Check out this awesome new construction in Byron, Minnesota, where we're gonna talk about flooring, cabinets, and countertops. I can't wait to show you guys around.
Today we are here with designer Erin Rydell with Meier Company in this gorgeous new construction home. Erin, let's talk a little bit about the inspiration for this home.
So we really wanted to be kind of edgy, go bold with this project, and kind of take that Minnesota look, but modernize it.
All right, Amanda, let's get started talking about these beautiful floors.
Yes, these floors here are the Hallmark brand. It is the Regatta line in the color Spinnaker. So what's really cool about this flooring here is it has the affordability and similar installation as an LVP, but you get the final product of a hardwood look and hardwood feel for, an affordable price.
One of the things that we always do when we're meeting with clients is we love to start from the ground up. And these floors have beautiful color variation that flow beautifully with their cabinetry. This is a Knotty Alder cabinet with this gorgeous cappuccino stain. So it's almost like a mixture of like a light with little pink undertones that features the Knotty Alder popping out.
I want to talk about a couple of really neat features of this kitchen. This is called a tip-up microwave. The microwave is actually placed on the countertop, but it's totally hidden away behind this beautiful finished cabinet. Makes for less chaos on the countertops, which I think a lot of people are drawn to.
There's tons of different options that people can get when they're getting hoods from us. They can do this beautiful one that's curved. They can do more of like a straight modern one. And this one I feel like just ties into the space so beautifully and pulls in like the knotty features that we had talked about from the other cabinets, where it pulls in that dark feature with the black stain.
We took the same stain as the hood and brought that over to the island as well, so we could create some moody contrast between the floor and the perimeter in that light cappuccino stain. And it just came together so beautifully to create that really warm, cozy vibe. Everyone says that the kitchen truly is the heart of the home, and this kitchen just feels so warm and cozy. This stone for the island is a granite, so natural stone, just so beautiful. It's got that honed matte finish, which is really cool. All the natural veining kind of flowing throughout. It's called Monte Cristo, which we've seen this a number of times, and I've never seen it looking quite as beautiful and unique as it does here. And then tell us a little bit about like the contrast for the perimeter stone.
This is a gorgeous quartz that we call Shadow Gray from MSI. And I actually love so much in this kitchen that they tied in two different stones. So we have a natural granite on the island, and then quartz is man-made. And I love that they flow beautifully together. And this dark color also pulls out the really pretty undertones in this granite countertop.
Yeah, and then the backsplash just pulls colors from both the perimeter and the island top, just kind of for the finishing touch of this kitchen, and looks great.
They carried in the beautiful cabinetry from the kitchen into their primary bath. This is again the Knotty Alder cabinets, the shaker style door with that gorgeous cappuccino stain. And they paired it with one of our absolute favorite granites. This is called Nero Mist from MSI, which has been hands down one of our top sellers.
Here we are in the mudroom laundry room that is right off the garage. Every mom's dream, right? Like come in from groceries or picking up the kids. There's this beautiful wall of shiplap with little hooks for everything. And these cabinets that we did are our absolute favorite. This is a new color called Bayleaf, and it's like a kind of a warm muted green that is really sort of a neutral color and goes with anything. And we always say if you want to have fun with color and experiment with that, and you don't want like a huge commitment of putting it in your kitchen, a laundry room or a mudroom is the perfect place to go bold.
This basement has an epic theater room and bar, which we're gonna talk about in a minute, but first let's talk about this awesome carpet. This is one of our top sellers. This is called Dreamweaver Greige. It has this beautiful linear pattern. That's one of our top sellers because it's modern and it's timeless and it looks good with everything.
It's very neutral and looks great on the set of steps. We can do that nice Hollywood tuck for a really finished, clean look. And an added benefit is it's always in stock at the Home Collective for a super killer deal.
I love how you and Erin decided to have the continuation of the kitchen and bring it down to this wet bar area.
Thanks, bud. Yeah, we did the Knotty Alder and the cappuccino for all the cabinets, and then instead of doing the Monte Cristo and the quartz, we carried the black honed Nero mist down here for a really moody vibe in this awesome theater room. This room is all set up to host friends and family for just really fun movie nights, and I think it's such a special addition to this awesome new construction home.
I agree with you. And did you notice the hardwood floor here where you could have a little dance party or maybe a little hoedown?
Heck yeah! Erin, thank you so much for having us out today. I have so enjoyed our time together walking through this gorgeous space, and I was just hoping that you could tell me a little bit about how people can get started on a project with you.
So if you go on our website on meiercompanies.com, set up a discovery meeting to get started. It's so cool to go from inspiration, collaboration to the finished product. We even love when Chelsea pops in.